Day 18's vocabulary session is here for you. I'll be giving you again 6 new words and you can construct sentences using each of the words by understanding its meaning and usage. And the first word is excited. Excited means you know, right? Malayalam you know. And excited means feeling happy and eager about something. And the examples are, I am excited about the weekend trip. One trip is coming and the people who are going for the trip, they are very excited to go for the trip because they're really what exciting, or they are really excited to see the sceneries or see the things happening around the world, all those things. So the others, me too, it will be fun. Others also telling, yeah, I am also excited to go to the trip. And next example is, she is excited to start her new job. That's such a great opportunity. One girl has moved from her previous job to another job, and it is very good job also. So she is very excited to go to new place, new office, meet new colleagues, everything. She is very much excited. And the next word is overwhelmed. Overwhelmed means what? Same kind of, but same in the same family, but it is having another meaning. Feeling like there is too much to handle. Examples, I feel overwhelmed with all these deadlines. Let's prioritize and tackle them one by one. I feel overwhelmed means what? One person is having so many tasks to do, and she is really tensed and overwhelmed to which one to choose first. And the other person is replying that, yeah, let's prioritize things and let's do it one by one. That is it. And one more example is here. He was overwhelmed by the crowd at the concert. That can be a bit much sometimes. One person like feeling like confused, like where to concentrate, where to do, where to look, all those things because of the huge crowd. And the other person replying that, yeah, this happens every time. This happens, no problem in that. And one more word for you, that is beat around the bush. Beat around the bush means avoiding the main topic. If you are given a topic to speak, you are avoiding that main topic and you are talking about other unnecessary things or things related to that main topic. You are just beating around the bush. So don't do that. If stick on the topic that is given to you. And example sentences are, stop beating around the bush and tell me the truth. All right, here is what really happened. One person is talking about some incident or something related to him and he is beating around the bush. He or she is talking about some things surrounding that particular incident. Then the listener is telling that you talk about the main subject or main topic or main incident. Then that is that I wanted to listen. One more example sentence, they kept beating around the bush during the meeting. That must have been frustrating. One meeting is happening and the person who is hosting the meeting is telling about some other things, and the listeners are telling that, or the other people are telling that you talk about the main important thing. That is what we needed. Otherwise, we'll feel frustrated. That is the meaning of beating around the bush. And try using all those things in your daily conversations. Now the next word is anyway. Anyway means regardless of what was said or done, and the examples are, I didn't feel like going but I attended the event anyway. Good decision. It was worth. That means one person is telling that I didn't feel like going, or I didn't like plan to go, but some way or anyways I attended, somehow I attended. And the other is telling, yeah, that is a good decision, that is worth also. And the next example is, it might rain, but we'll finish the shoot anyway. Let's be quick just in case. Like one person is telling, like he may be the film director or producer or something like that. And the person is telling that this rain might come, but we will anyways, we'll at any cost, we'll finish the shooting. Oh, and others are telling, yeah, let's be quick in that case, like so that we can be quick. Now the next word is moreover. Moreover means in addition, furthermore. That means the movie was exciting. Moreover, the cast was amazing. That's why I loved it too. One person is telling that the movie is okay, the movie is like just wow. But moreover, more than that, the casting is very good in that. Moreover, like what? In addition to, okay, in addition to in that film, that casting is very nice. And the next example is, the weather is perfect for a walk. Moreover, it's not too hot. Let's go out then. One person is telling that the weather is perfect. It's perfect for going out for a walk. More than that, it is not hot. It is not too hot, so that it is very good for a walk. So they are planning. The people are planning to go out and walk. And the next word is what not. What not means similar things or etc. etc. What not, like what more that we tell. No, that is it. And the examples are, we will Need pencils, markers, and what not for the project. Got it. I'll buy all the supplies. Some people are telling us, students are telling that for the project we need pencils, markers, sketch pens, chart papers, everything like that. So what not? Nothing less, nothing more. Everything we need. Okay. So that I'll go and buy that. The person is replying. And the next example is he is good at designing, editing, and whatnot. Like two people are talking about one person's caliber or skill, and they're telling that he is good in designing, he is good in dancing, swimming, running, jumping, everything he is good at, and whatnot. Nothing is there. Like without the person is with all these talents. So what not? Okay. And sounds like a talented person. That person is very talented, very much talented. That is the word what's not. Here is a vocabulary activity for day 19. As usual, 6 words are given here. You can start constructing sentences or structuring sentences and send it to your personal trainer as audio and also in the written form, and ask where there are any corrections or not. If corrections are there, do it again and see where you made mistakes. That is it. Here is a calling activity for day 19, and the topic for the day is my role model. You can talk about your role model. It can be a person, it can be a god, or it can be any character. Okay, you can describe someone who has influenced you the most, and you can share what you admire about them and how they inspired you. What is the thing that got admired or that got influenced from that person to you? And you can talk to your personal trainer at least for 5 minutes